Hey guys, Ken here. I got a table full of car parts and a WRX outside. Christine's on vacation in Colorado, and so for her birthday, her mom and I got her a bunch of car parts, and while she's gone this week, I'm going to be installing them on the car. Tomorrow morning, we have the appointment with the tints. So I just pulled out the car seat and did a quick vacuum to get the car ready. And I'm going to take you for a quick walk around, and that way we have a baseline to show you what it looks like before we do the other modifications. We just got back from the tinners. We did 25% all around. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what it looks like. The next project, which is going to be some rain guards, and I think I'm going to do the mud flaps today as well. Wind guards are on. Now we're moving on to the mud flaps. These are Rally Armor mud flaps. Now these come, all of the mud flaps, the different brands, come with the logo on the flap. So I actually just wrapped the whole mud flap in a black vinyl, and then I put her little Tinkerbell stickers on. On the corners. So yeah, usually it says, you can actually kind of faintly see the outline. It says Rally Armor on there, but we just wrapped it to cover that and gave her a little fairy accent. Mud flaps and rain guards are on. I think I'm going to do the grille and the horns next and save the lights for tomorrow. The headlights I have to pull out and I have to completely take apart, and I have a mountain of wiring here to figure out. So I don't think I'm going to mess with that today, but I can get this grille on and the horns on. So let's do that. Hey, so it is Tuesday. Yesterday we accomplished a lot. I was able to get the rain guards on, the mud flaps on, the windows tinted, the grille installed, and the hella horns installed. Today I'm going to take the bumper off again. It's just resting on there now, to take the headlights off, and I can start the rebuild on those. right, we got the lights out. I have one on the bench here. I'll show you what we're gonna do. there's a mess of wiring, but basically the factory light has a C light, high beams, low beams are this projector, and then a side marker. What we're going to be doing is replacing the factory little light in the corner here for the C light with these LED C lights. We're going to replace the bulb in the low beam with these HID bulbs, and we're going to paint the entire inside of the housing black to match our black car. So here, the hardest part's going to be find mounting points for additional relays, the ballasts and igniters and everything I need for that, and where to tap in for our C lights and demon eyes. The demon eyes are just little LEDs, and they get mounted behind the projector here, and just shine a little LED on the projector so that that projector itself will glow whatever color she wants with the Bluetooth controller. Max the degreaser. Get it. Right, so the other thing I need to do is this is the inside of the projector, and you can see there's these gaps here. Basically, I need to find a place to install the demon eyes so that it shines into that area. Hopefully it can hit the reflector in the back a little bit, because basically you just want to cast a little light onto the back of this lens, and then this whole lens will glow whatever color this LED is putting out. I don't like that if you tug on this wire, it puts all the force right on the connection, so I think I'm going to drill another small hole and zip tie this wire so that if you tug it, the pressure is on the zip tie and not on the connection itself. Once again, my camera died, so I didn't get the painting of the actual bezel itself, but basically it's 3 coats of a satin black. This one I got the side marker and C light in, and I'll show you how I did that on this one. This needs to go cook in the oven to get hot enough so that I can squeeze it together and put the screws in the back. And moment of truth. Do they work? Hey! Yes! Oh, that's so awesome. Demon eyes.
All right, lights are out of the oven and ready to go. I got the wiring harness reinstalled on these.
Now I need to install the wiring harnesses inside the car. This includes some relays, some ballasts, the igniters, and then I have to tap into some of the wiring harnesses to install the C lights and get those running. Alright, now I need to tap into some wires. This is the factory C light
bulb, which I don't need anymore. There's now the LED harness, which this is going to plug into the driver. The driver is going to plug in to these 4 taps. The white and black are going to tap into this red and black. The yellow goes to the turn signal on the bumper, and the red is for a DRL harness. Now, this is the factory DRL plug. I'm going to de-pin this plug and make my own DRL harness that'll just plug into the factory connection, and I'll use this plug with some wiring that'll hook into the red on both this side and the other side. Alright, real quick because my SD card's about to fill up and it's getting dark, but I got my harness done. I'm tapped into the what I need for our sea lights. I have an extension to go down to the turn signal here as well. I'm going to take you outside. I have our switchback harness, which I just tapped into this plug, so it's plug and play. I got one side running the other one. This is going to go into the red wire, and then there's just a wire tap on the turn signals in the bumper, and this is what the blue wire will plug into. I'm going to get it all hooked up, and then I'll show you tomorrow what it looks like. I'm going to gotta dump all the footage off of here and get this charged up. So I'll see you tomorrow.
It is Friday evening and I am done. The car got detailed today, the dash cam got installed, and that pretty much wraps it up. Let me take you for a walk around, show you what we did, and then before and after.